Hi everyone, my name is GULSHAN Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS College of Engineering. So in today's video, we are going to see what is search with non-deterministic action. Non-deterministic is something which you have not determined in a very effective manner, and you have to search the process in that non-deterministic actions. Okay. Now, what is search with non-deterministic actions? When the environment is partially or either partially observable or non-deterministic. The future prospects cannot be determined in advance, and the agent's future actions will be dependent on those future prospects. Okay, it will always be dependent upon the future prospects, and it will not do the action based on the current process. Okay, and that is why we are dealing it with the search with non-deterministic actions. Now, in this non-deterministic problems, we have certain process called as the transition model. Okay, the transition model is defined by the result function that returns a set of possible outcome stages. The solution for this non-deterministic problem is it can be the strategy plan which is being determined. Like say for example, in the next videos, I will tell you how this search with non-deterministic action is actually being implemented. Okay, in non-deterministic environment, agents can apply and or search to generate the contingent plans that reach the goal regardless of which outcomes occur during the execution. So the first one is the and or search tree. The and operation will perform both the operations in a very effective way, and the or operation will be based on the choice based action. Now, in deterministic environment, the only branching is introduced by the agent's own choice in either state or each state. We call these nodes as the or nodes. When you are focusing on two nodes, in a non-deterministic actions, branching is also introduced by the environment's choice or outcome for each actions. We can call that as an AND node. Okay, in this AND or tree, or nodes and AND nodes alternatively states the nodes and or nodes where some actions must be chosen, and at the AND nodes every outcome must be handled and how it should be handled in an effective manner. Okay, now we will see the solution that is being implemented with it. Okay, now we have a goal node at every leaf node. We will have specific one action that is being implemented with either or nodes. It includes every outcomes, and that every outcome is denoted with the AND node. Okay, now we will take this vacuum world process in which the highlighted arrow mark shows that you have a solution based on it, and the other arrow mark shows that there is a process being implemented, and the arc line shows that the process is being executed in the process. Okay, now when we take the first state as you have a vacuum and you have dust in both left side and right side. The tree process that is being involved in search with non-deterministic action is suck left and right. First process, when you do the suck process, that is when you take the dust out of it, you are getting the goal state of 7. Now, when you just move when you suck the process which is being implemented, and then when the dust remains in the same state, you reach out the goal called 5. Now, when you move the vacuum world to the right side, you have the process called node 2. Now, from the node 5, we will be executing the plan of suck and right, because the vacuum can be moved only to the right side, it can't be moved to the left side. So in the sucking process, the loop has already been done. So when you there is no process to suck. The next process is moving the right side. Okay, now when you take the process of 6, okay, now when you suck the dust, you will attain the goal state of 8, and when you move and remain to the left, it will again go back to the node of 5. Now coming back to this right side process, when you reach out the right side process, you will be having a node of 2. Now when you move the vacuum from the right side to left side, you will be reaching out again the first step, and it is a looping statement. Okay, looping statement is you will do the process again and again in the same process. Now when the dust is sucked, okay, you will be reaching out the state of 8. Okay, and you will be reaching out the state of 4. When you reach out the process of 8, the goal is being finished, and the fourth statement will continue to loop, and the process will continue in the very effective manner. Now we have certain methods called the cyclic solution. So what is cyclic? Cyclic is the process will be continued in every possible directions, and it will keep trying until it works in a very effective way, like as the looping statement is done. So this is all about the search with non-deterministic actions, and in the next class I will meet you with a very different video. As of now, thank you all.